I wonder, you know, sometimes I wonder that when people wearing this inspired piece or the fake piece, how many people really notice that they're wearing the fake one? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Oh my goodness, today we're gonna do another really amazing unboxing. This piece is completely sold out everywhere in the world, and I got it. And let's get started. Let me show you what is this all about. First, let's check out my new launch skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. This is gonna be kind of twist a little bit, not my typically unboxing from Louis Vuitton. And if you watch my recent fake first versus real, we got really great review. A lot of people really interesting to see what the hell is going on with this fake bag. So I want to open this out to show you guys. So I want to make a very disclaimer real quick. I'm not judging anybody buying the inspired piece or lookalike piece or whatever you want to call it. That's your life. You do what you want. And I just got this for fun. Definitely not going to wear this out myself. I just want to do a review to show you guys. And I think it's really cool thing that you're gonna learn from this video. So it's interesting. So first thing first, this box is fake in the house. Look at this. This is the new bag for spring 21, but the box was last year Christmas box. And then if you see this right here, the only time Louis Vuitton made box with kind of like a handle holder, it's for the luggage. So you know this is totally not right. Not to mention the color. This is like a disgusting mustard yellow, so definitely it's the wrong color. I know, right? What's going on here? But I am very interested in this particular piece with this bag I want to show you. Okay, first is the Inspire. I'm going to call it Inspire dust bag. Totally wrong color. So not cute. But are you ready to see this? Oh, the camera catch the color really good. This is the Louis Vuitton Cousin PM Spring 21 collections. Like I say, this is the Inspire piece. It's not the original one, if you know what I mean. And you probably wonder, so why am I buying this? Well, because we get so many people talking about they want to see the real versus the fake. And I don't have the real one, unfortunately. They truly sold out everywhere in the US right now. So we just got this one to show you. You know, at least from far away, if you don't touch, you will look kind of like it a little bit. So this is the PM size. You know, the size of the bag here is about 10 inches wide and about 8 inches high. And then the width, it's about almost 5 inches because it's stretched open right here. What's really cool about this Cousin bag is that people not only buying for the bag, there's a lot of accessory that you can play around with. That's really cool. Ford logo design there is totally not cute. And this is actually the two large compartment here, and there's a smaller one in the middle. I'm gonna put a real one right here on the side to show you guys so you can see a difference. And you tell me if this looks real to you. You know, I think it's fake in the house. I mean, I look at this, it's totally not real. So this is just with the strap here. I think the strap it's cute, but you know, I don't know. You tell me, what do you think? I think from far away, if I just wear this a little bit, let me stand up, show you guys this. I don't know. I think I kind of like it. I'll probably get one if I can get my hand on the new one. But right now they completely sold out. So what is really cool about this, what I was telling you earlier, is the chain. This is to die for. Look at this. It looks just like the real one. It has a monogram logo on it. I don't have it, but look at this detail. And then this also has a Louis Vuitton monogram detail. Show you guys that. This looks cool. So what people have been doing is they bought the bag and they use this as a necklace, because they do. I'm gonna show the picture right on the side here to show you guys. Louis Vuitton do make a necklace like this for like thousands of dollars. I think it was, I don't know how much they make. I'm gonna put price right, you can see it. So you basically, when you buy the Kusan, the bag is about 3,500-ish, and you minus the chain, minus strap, the bag is probably less than $600. So a lot of people buy it for this reason, and I think that may be the reason why this sold out so quickly. And I really want to get one for myself because the chain too, because the chain is really nice. I don't know, I don't think I can wear the Inspire piece, but the chain looks really good. So there's a lot of weight to it. I can feel that. Just pretty good. What do you think? Yeah, so I just want to show you, we got this Inspire piece, Louis Vuitton Kusan PM. I think I just get this for fun. It's not really. I had an idea. Would it be cool that, you know, I started collecting all the Inspire piece, and like I had the most Inspire Louis Vuitton in the whole world. That would be kind of interesting. Would you want to see that kind of video? You know, just change it up a little bit. You know, so boring to do the same thing over and over. And by the way, Mr. Johnny on One channel, we have definitely changed it up. We will be loading more video, not every day, like a couple of videos a week, and we're going to be heavily focused on Disneyland. Because I thought about this, I live so close to Disney, and why don't I just film Disney related content for you guys? And I love Disney, I'm there already, might as well just film some video. So I can't wait to show you all this new content video. Alright, so let me know, should I waste my money to buy more of those Inspire piece or from different brand? I know you can get one for Chanel, Dior, Fendi, Louis. Let me know, should I try this type of Inspire piece? I do want to show you that they are trying very hard. I mean, you can see the monogram here. You can see all that. I think the color is totally off. On the camera it looks better, but in real life the color is kind of dull, and you know, it's very for me, I'm not the best person to catch the real or fake because I just don't pay attention for that. But unless it's really bad one, I can tell. Otherwise I can't really tell. But I wonder if somebody walk around with this, can you really tell it's a fake? Or somebody's really rich and famous and they wear bag like this, and can you, would you even think that they bought a fake one? I mean, that's the question I want to ask. So it's interesting. I think there's a huge community on YouTube talking about Inspire piece. In fact, it was really interesting that there's actually a YouTube channel doing unboxing of this Inspire piece, and some of them is really terrible quality. It's just interesting that, you know, people do that. Anyway, so I want to show you this. I think this is it's cute. You will never see me wear this out. It's just for the videos only, and hopefully you like this video. Alright, so once again, if you like video like this, getting the Inspire piece from designer, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do more for you guys. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.